Makhumalo invite Musamseleku's wives and their kids at Umembeso. Macele gave an excuse and say she is not coming. Mayeni didn't say anything. Mangwabe didn't say anything. But we saw Mangwabe only at Makumalo's Umembeso. Musamseleku took his sons, Lwadle Mpumelelo and Mnini, but Mayeni doesn't want Mnini to be at Makumalo's Umembeso. But Makumalo learned a lesson now that you can never force people to love you. Because Msamseleku's kids, all of them, they are supposed to be at Makumalo's Umembeso. We see 3 kids only. Even Mangwabe's kids, Mangwabe was there, but her kids were not there. I don't think that Mangwabe, she came because she want to be at that Umembeso. She was doing to support Makumalo, but if you saw Mangwabe's face at Makumalo's Umembeso, Mangwabe was not happy. So even Macele and Mayeni, they are not happy to be there. Why other wives are comfortable to be at Macele's wedding and Mayeni's wedding? They don't have a problem. But when it comes to Mangwabe, guys, Mayeni's wedding, all of them, the whole family were there. Understand? The whole family, their kids, everyone was there at Mayeni's wedding. Musamseleku can force his whole family to be at Mayeni and Macele's wedding. But when it comes to Makumalo, Mangwabe's kids are not there. Mayeni's kids are not there. Macele Awongwe was supposed to be there. Awongwe Owami was supposed to be there. It's not fair when it comes to Makumalo. And that's why Makumalo, she is acting in such a way, because Makumalo accepts that there is no family. Because sometimes when it comes to other wives, the whole family were at that wedding. If Mayeni and Macele, they are not supposed to be there, Mayeni can send her kids and say, you have to go to the wedding. Mnini was there, but and Mpumelelo. Obanzi was not. And Mayeni's kids, Macele's kids, Mangwabe's kids, I don't think that it was fair when it comes to Mpilo and saw that she was at Makumalo's wedding, at her mother's wedding. Mpilo attend Mayeni, Macele's wedding. You understand? How she is going to feel. That's why those kids, they are not getting along, Mpilo and Abongo, because Mpilo accept it. Mpilo and Makumalo, they accept it, that they are not going to change. If they don't love them, they don't love them. Mpilo and Makumalo, they don't love them. Even Musamseleku doesn't follow those 2 people, Mpilo and Makumalo. So it's not new to Mpilo to attend other women's wedding, but she saw her mother, they are not attending. If to seek or Abongwe or Owami to attend Makumalo's Umembeso, it's not fair. You understand it? Macele says it involving Musamsele. When it comes to Mayeni, Macele attend Mayeni's wedding. I don't understand how it comes to Makumalo. And now people were judging Makumalo. She is acting in such a way. Now it's Makwela. Musamseleku is forcing Makumalo that you are supposed to be at Makwela's ceremony. What? How, guys? Because Makumalo, sometimes you can judge here, guys. Musamseleku's wives are not attending Makumalo's members. What? They don't attend. You understand? But Makumalo was being forced to attend everything. Next time when they start shooting the content, Makumalo, there is no need to be. Every time Musamseleku invite them, Makumalo is available. Sometimes she can tell Musamseleku the way Macele and Mayeni, they tell Musamseleku that I'm not coming at meeting. I'm not available. I'm not attending family trip. Makumalo have to do the same thing now. Musamseleku said, we are going to family trip. Makumalo have to be not available and say, I'm not coming, Makumalo and Mpilo, because they don't count them as family. They don't count them as family. Everything, when it comes to Makumalo have to force things every time. But other wives, they don't force things. Musamseleku, he can do things for them without pleasing him. So I don't think that there is need next time that Makhumalo have to be available